In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete annual leave in Xero. If you've got a leave request that was entered by mistake or needs to be withdrawn, the cleanest way to remove it in Xero is to reject the request so it no longer sits against the employee's balance or shows in upcoming leave. Before we start, make sure you have the right level of access in Xero payroll, such as payroll admin or a role that lets you manage employee leave. Also, keep in mind that if the leave has already been included in a posted pay run, you may not be able to remove it from here and might need to handle it differently. For a standard pending request though, this is quick and straightforward. First, head into the payroll area from Xero's main navigation. This is where all your pay, employee, and leave settings live. Once you're in payroll, go to employees. You'll see a list of everyone set up in your payroll. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to find the person faster. Next, select the employee whose annual leave you want to remove. This opens their payroll profile, where you can review details like pay templates, tax settings, and leave. From here, move to the leave section. This tab shows pending, approved, and historical leave entries. Take a moment to verify you're looking at the right request by checking the leave type, dates, and any notes that were added when it was created. Locate the annual leave entry you need to remove. On the right side of that entry, open the three-dot menu. This menu gives you quick actions for the specific leave item you're viewing. Choose Reject. Xero will process the change and remove that leave request from the employee's upcoming leave. This action prevents it from affecting future scheduling and ensures the employee's balance reflects the correct entitlement. That's all there is to it. By navigating to payroll, opening employees, selecting the employee going to leave, using the three-dot menu, and choosing Reject, you've effectively deleted the annual leave request from their record. A few quick tips to wrap up. Always double-check you're rejecting the correct entry, especially if the employee has multiple requests around similar dates. If you work in a team, consider letting the employee know the request was removed so there's no confusion. And if you don't see the reject option, review your permissions or confirm the leave hasn't already been processed in a pay run. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, you're all set to keep your Xero leave records accurate and up to date.